Let's learn 30 amazing sea animals. Are you ready? Dolphins are highly intelligent and can communicate with each other using a variety of clicks, whistles, and other vocalizations. They have a layer of blubber under their skin that helps them stay warm in cold water. Great white sharks can detect a drop of blood in 25 gallons of water and can sense even tiny amounts of blood from up to 3 miles away. They have rows of teeth that can number up to 300 and can continuously replace lost or broken teeth throughout their life. Sea turtles can live up to 50 years or more, with some species like the leatherback known to live even longer. They navigate using the Earth's magnetic field to return to the beaches where they were born to lay their eggs. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. They are known for their ability to change color and texture to blend into their surroundings, a defense mechanism against predators. Clownfish have a mutualistic relationship with sea anemones, gaining protection from predators while helping the anemones by cleaning them. All clownfish are born male, but some will change sex to become the dominant female in a group. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have existed, with lengths of up to 100 feet and weights of up to 200 tons. Their heart alone can weigh as much as an automobile and is the size of a small car. Manta rays have the largest brain-to-body ratio of all fish, indicating a high level of intelligence. They can grow up to 23 feet across and weigh as much as 3,000 pounds. Starfish have the remarkable ability to regenerate lost arms, and in some cases, an entire new starfish can grow from a single severed limb. They use hundreds of tiny tube feet located on the underside of their arms to move and open shells of prey like clams and oysters. Sea otters use rocks as tools to open shellfish and other hard-shelled prey, making them one of the few mammal species known to use tools. Their fur is the densest of any animal, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch, which helps them stay warm in cold waters. Jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest living creatures on Earth. They are 9% water and lack a brain, heart, and bones, yet they can still perform all necessary life functions. Humpback whales are known for their complex songs, which can last for up to 20 minutes and be heard miles away. They can migrate up to 16,000 miles a year, traveling between feeding grounds in polar regions and breeding grounds in tropical waters. Lobsters can live up to 50 years or more in the wild and can continue growing throughout their lives by molting their shells. They have a sophisticated nervous system that allows them to detect changes in temperature, ensuring they stay in their preferred environment. Squids have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, with the giant squid's eyes being up to 10 inches in diameter. They can expel a cloud of ink to confuse predators and make their escape. Sea urchins have a unique mouth structure called Aristotle's lantern, which they use to scrape algae and other food from rocks. They can regenerate their spines and even parts of their internal organs if damaged. Crabs can walk in any direction, but are most efficient at moving sideways. They have a hard exoskeleton that they must periodically molt to grow, which leaves them vulnerable until it hardens. Female anglerfish have a bioluminescent lure on their heads to attract prey in the deep, dark waters of the ocean. Male anglerfish are much smaller and will often attach themselves to females, becoming parasitic mates. Seahorses are unique in that the males carry the fertilized eggs in a pouch until they hatch. They have prehensile tails, which they use to anchor themselves to seaweed and other structures. Walruses use their long tusks, which can grow up to 3 feet, to help them climb out of the water and onto ice floes. They have thick layers of blubber and skin to keep warm in the Arctic and subarctic regions. Orcas are apex predators and have no natural predators, sitting at the top of the food chain. They live in complex social structures called pods, which are matriarchal and can consist of up to 40 individuals. Manatees are often called sea cows because of their slow grazing behavior and herbivorous diet. They can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes while resting, but usually surface every 3 to 5 minutes to breathe. Pufferfish can inflate their bodies by swallowing water or air to ward off predators. Many species of pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin that is deadly to most predators and humans. Sea cucumbers have the ability to expel their internal organs to confuse predators, and these organs can regenerate over time. They play an important role in the ocean ecosystem by recycling nutrients and breaking down detritus on the seafloor. Nudibranchs, also known as sea slugs, are known for their vibrant colors and intricate patterns. They can absorb toxins from their prey and use them for their own defense against predators. Moray eels have a second set of jaws called pharyngeal jaws, which help them capture and swallow prey. They often hide in crevices and ambush prey with a quick lunge. Sea anemones have a symbiotic relationship with clownfish, providing them with protection in exchange for food scraps and cleaning. They use their tentacles, which are armed with stinging cells called nematocysts, to capture prey. Hermit crabs use discarded shells of other mollusks to protect their soft abdomens and will switch shells as they grow. They can form social groups and have been observed to engage in shell exchanges, where multiple crabs swap shells to find a better fit. Box jellyfish have a potent venom that can be fatal to humans, with some species known as the most venomous creatures in the world. They have complex eyes on each side of their bell that can detect light and movement, aiding in navigation and hunting. Beluga whales are known as sea canaries due to their wide range of vocal sounds used for communication. They have flexible necks that allow them to turn their heads in all directions, a feature uncommon in whales. Emperor penguins are the tallest and heaviest of all living penguin species, reaching heights of up to 48 inches. They breed during the Antarctic winter, and males incubate the eggs on their feet under a flap of skin to keep them warm. Electric eels can generate powerful electric shocks of up to 600 volts, which they use for hunting and self-defense. Despite their name, they are more closely related to catfish than to true eels. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.